Hello dear students, myself MD Nadeem Mia. I am chemistry professor in Gausia PU and Degree College Basakalyan. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the method of preparation of alkyl halide by using alkene. So here particularly I am dealing the reaction of alkene with hydrogen halide. When hydrogen halide is reacting with alkene, it will lead to the formation of alkyl halide. Because hydrogen halide dissociate to give H plus ion and halide minus ion, and in the alkene the pi bond is easily broken and one side the positive ion goes and another side the negative halide goes. In this way the alkyl halide is formed. Now this is for symmetrical alkene. Now suppose for example you see the symmetrical alkene ethene, addition of hydrogen bromide lead to the formation of ethyl bromide. Suppose we have unsymmetrical alkene like propene. So propene can form two type of product. It may form two type of product, that is 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane also. Now which is most stable product we have to see. Now here we apply a Markovnikov rule. What Markovnikov rule says that whenever we are adding a reagent to the unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent goes to that doubly bonded carbon which has the minimum number of hydrogen atom, and the positive part of the reagent goes to that doubly bonded carbon which has the maximum number of hydrogen atom. So according to Markovnikov rule, we get the 2-bromopropane which is most stable and most favored product. Similarly, you can have the 1-bromopropane which is least stable and unfavored, because if you add the positive part of the reagent to this carbon, then it will form a primary carbocation. And if you add a positive part of the reagent to this carbon, then it will form the secondary carbocation which is more stable. Hence, according to Markovnikov rule, the major product is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. Now, for example, for unsymmetrical alkene, we can have an example. The name of this compound 1, 2, 3. So 3, 3 dimethyl butene. When upon adding the hydrogen bromide, we are getting the product like this, 2-bromo 3, 2 dimethyl butane we are getting. Now what happening here, you can see, if you add the positive, according to Markovnikov rule, what happened? The positive part of the reagent goes to this carbon atom because it contains the more number of hydrogen atom, and it will form a carbocation here. But there is a possibility of what we can say methyl shift. Why? Because this carbocation is secondary carbocation, and if the methyl shift takes place, the positive charge shifted here and it will form a tertiary carbocation which is more stable. Due to that most stability, the methyl shift takes place and hence it will form a tertiary carbocation, and to this tertiary carbocation bromide is attacking. And hence we are getting the product like 2-bromo 2, 3 dimethyl butane as a product. So students, they get confused in this is very important bit. We can say that for NEET and any competitive examination, students get confused. They just simply apply the Markovnikov rule and they can attach BR here only, and that will be the wrong answer. What we have to do? We have to shift the methyl shift take place because it will form a tertiary carbocation which is more stable than secondary one. Hence our product is 2-bromo 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Thank you.